Now we will discuss about the creating custom calculation field. So before creating a custom calculation field, first we need to connect to the data source. That is, we are going to take sample superstore data. So you have to select the source file, then you have to connect to the sample superstore data. Now, once it will be connected, then here it is going to display sample superstore data set is going to display here. Now for creating custom calculation field, we are having two options to create a custom calculation field. One is from the menu bar. Here you have to select the analysis phase. Under that you have to go for the option create calculation field. Either you can choose this option or we are having one more option, that is shortcut operation. Now in the data tab, we will find one filter icon. Beside that, one small arrow appears here. If you just click on that, the first option is nothing but creating calculation field. Once you click on the calculation field, now it opens a window and it is the what type of name we are going to give for our new custom calculation field. We can give that name, and here this is the formula bar, or maybe whatever the value we are going to give for that custom calculation, we have to give the either formula or like the measures what you are going to take, everything we have to write here. Now suppose for example, already we are having different types of calculation. Suppose for example absolute. So absolute is a already built-in custom calculation built-in calculation field. Like that we are having so many calculation fields are there, and if average, count, max, minimum, these are all already built-in calculation fields. Now if you want to create a custom calculation field, now then we have to, here we have to name that custom calculation field and we have to write the formula for the custom calculation field. Suppose for example, if you are going to check for the custom calculation field, for example, if I am going to find out the if means for the if, this is the expression. So if expression, that is condition, then we have to write the statement else, like that we have to use. So this is like they have given the built-in calculation for using if directly, then we have to specify the expression. The similar way, like equal to the if, we are having immediate if is also there. So within one line we can use if else statement. It is similar to ternary operator in C language. Now we are going to create a custom calculation field, that is for the discount ratio. So for the discount ratio, the discount ratio is nothing but we are going to use the formula like discount by sales. So discount by sales means maybe sometimes in the data set, if the sales is not there on that particular day, so the discount ratio value will be infinite. So to avoid that one, I'm going to use immediate if function. Immediate if function means if the sales is not equal to 0, the sales is not equal to 0, then the sales is not equal to 0, then it is going to give the value as discount by sales. If sales equal to 0, then it is going to return the discount ratio as 0. So if the sales is 0, then automatically discount ratio is also 0 to avoid the infinite value. Now coming to the calculation field, here I am going to type discount ratio, that is the name of the calculation field. Now here I want to create a discount ratio calculation field. Now I have to type I, means all the I related functions it is going to display. Now see here, F means this is a function. These are the built-in functions available on the first letter I. Now if I want to use, instead of if function, I'm going to use immediate if. So within a one line I can use test condition, then if it is true, that value, or if it is false, then else value I can use by using immediate if. So I am typing two letters, that is I. So one function is available. See here. Now it is going to display the syntax of immediate if. So test, then else, then value. Now, what is my condition? Like if the sales not equal to 0, that time only it has to return the discount ratio value, that is discount by sales. If I press yes, immediately it is going to give the list of S related functions and measures and all. From that I want to take sales measure. The sales measure, you just click on that first yes letter. If it is sales is appears, then you just click on that sales. Now sales not equal to 0. So sales not equal to 0 is the my condition. After that, as per the syntax, test, then you just enter comma. After that, what you have to write? If the sales not equal to 0, you have to return the value as discount ratio. What is the formula for discount ratio? Ratio discount by sales. So here you have to enter D, then I. So discount, it is going to display discount measure. You just click on that. After that, divided by, again you just press sales. You just click on that sales. So discount by ratio, sorry, discount by sales. Now, if the sales is not equal to 0, then this value is going to return. It is a true value. Now, maybe some cases if sales equal to 0, that time it is not going to return like an infinite value. So we cannot visualize that. So if the sales equal to 0, now we are going to return the value as 0. Okay. Now this is the formula for discount ratio. Now once we have write immediate if formula as per the syntax, now it is going to show that calculation is valid. So if the calculation is valid, immediately you have to click on apply. So once you click on apply, immediately the discount ratio is going to appear in the measures area. So here, this is discount ratio. Then you just click on OK. Now the difference between the built-in function means automatically when you upload the data set, some measures automatically it is going to give, and as well as dimensions also. But whatever the new measure we have created using a calculation field to differentiate from the existing one. So before the hash, one equal to symbol is going to display. It indicates that it is a custom calculation field. So that means the user is created this new custom calculation field. Now, if you want to visualize this custom calculation field, similar to like sales, how you are going to drag into row shelf, the same way we have to drag discount ratio. Now, this is the discount ratio, the sum of the discount ratio it is going to give. Now, if you want to give the label, you just click on marks card, then go to labels and check the show mark labels. Now, this is the discount ratio. So, this is about creating a custom calculation field for discount ratio measure.